Oil refining equipment, intro and operation. This is a complete 4-tank oil refining unit with full functions. Its specific structure is as follows. Dephosphorization tank, deacidification tank, decolorization tank, deodorization tank, steam generator, vacuum pump, press on the plate and frame filter, control cabinet. Oil refining equipment usage processing. Connect all pipes, valves and power cords, check all valves are closed. The first step is to remove phosphorus. Conveying crude oil to the degumming tank via gear pump. Open the oil inlet valve at the tank rear, connect it to the oil tank or other devices, and deliver crude oil. Crude oil is delivered to the tank's oil inlet via the oil inlet valve, gear pump and pipeline, then open the inlet valve finally. The valve is closed at 90 to the pipeline and opened when parallel to it. Start gear pump number 1 and deliver oil to the degumming tank. Step onto the operation platform and check the conditions inside the tank. Stop pumping the oil from the tank into this vessel via the gear pump when the oil level in the tank reaches 3/4. Set temperature to 80, turn on heating and stirring. Add boiling or hot water to the boiling water and alkaline solution tank and heat for standby. The ratio of oil, water, salt is 1:0.078:5. When the thermometer at the tank rear shows 60 C, prepare to add boiling water. Proceed to the operating platform and open the water supply valve. Boiling water flows slowly into the tank through the pipeline. Maintain the temperature at 80 degrees Celsius and keep stirring for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After ensuring all phospholipids clump together completely, stop stirring, keep heating, and let it settle for 1 to 2 hours. After sedimentation is completed, open the bottom valve and drain the thick brown sludge formed by sedimentation. After the colloid impurity discharge is completed, turn off the heating button and turn on gear pump number 1. Discharge the oil from tank number 1 into tank number 2. Open the oil drain valve. The oil will enter the gear pump through the pipeline and then flow into the deacidification tank. Open the oil inlet valve. Open the cover and check the oil inlet status. Set the temperature of the deacidification tank to 100 C and start stirring. Prepare the lye while heating. Test the acid value first, then proceed with blending. When the thermometer reaches 100 C, start adding lye. Maintain the temperature and stir for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then stop stirring and let it settle for 1 to 2 hours. Discharge the soap stock, the colloidal impurities separated after alkali refining. Remove free fatty acids from the oil and eliminate the problems of oxidative acidification, rancidity and off odors. Then add boiling water to the tank. Add boiling water to the deacidification tank for water washing. The core of water washing after alkali refining is to remove residual soap, reduce alkalinity and prevent emulsification. Maintain the temperature and stirring during this process for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then transfer the oil to the third tank for drying and decolorization. Open the oil drain valve, the oil will enter the gear pump through the pipeline and then flow into the decolorization tank. Remember to open the oil inlet valve. Open the vacuum valve. Check if the vacuum pump pipeline is fully connected. Add water to the vacuum pump water tank to submerge the water return pipe. Gas liquid separator. Separate oil mist and droplets in vacuum pipeline, protect vacuum pump, stabilize vacuum degree and recover residual oil. When all the oil has entered the decolorization tank, close the oil inlet valve. Turn on the heating, stirring and vacuum pump buttons, set the temperature to 120 degrees Celsius. Dry before decolorization to eliminate moisture interference and ensure optimal results. Check sight glass for water droplets in 30 mins 1 hour. If in a dry state, the decolorization process can be carried out. Place the prepared bleaching earth or activated carbon under the pipeline, open the valve, and let it enter the tank by vacuum suction. Stir continuously for 30 mins at 120. After completion, turn off the heating, stirring and vacuum pump, then start cooling and standing. Go to the operation platform and release the air from the tank. When the temperature drops to 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, check filter cloths at front or end of plate frame filter, ensure installed and tightly compressed. The temporary storage tank for decolorized oil is placed in the correct position. Drain the impurities from the conical bottom of the decolorization tank. Start the number 1 gear pump. Open the oil drain valve. Open the oil inlet valve of the plate and frame oil filter. The oil is conveyed to the plate and frame oil filter by the number 1 gear pump for refiltration. The plate and frame oil filter filters through the filter cloth, with a filtration time of about 40 minutes. Open the vacuum valve of the deodorization tank and start the vacuum pump. After filtration is completed, open the oil inlet valve and suck the oil into the tank by vacuum suction. After all the oil is filled into the tank, open the valve of the steam generator. Keep the vacuum pump running, turn on the heating device and steam generator at the same time, and set the temperature to 220. Check that the oil inlet valve is closed and confirm that the vacuum pump valve and steam generator valve are open. The deodorization process takes about 2 to 3 hours. After the operation is completed, turn off all control switches. Finally, go to the operation platform and release the air from the deodorization tank. Operate slowly when venting, and be careful to prevent fingers or foreign objects from being sucked into the tank. The final finished oil can flow out naturally from the rear pipeline. It can also be connected to a pipeline and conveyed by the number 2 gear pump. Note that the oil temperature is 220 at this time. The oil can be rapidly cooled by the condensed water circulation device. Practical skills for equipment operation processes. Tank 1 and Tank 2, namely the dephosphorization tank and deacidification tank, have the same function. The two can operate synchronously. In the early stages, both tanks can perform the dephosphorization and precipitation processes at the same time. After the completion of dephosphorization and precipitation, start the deacidification and precipitation process synchronously. This method effectively increases the production efficiency. Prepare boiling water, lye and water for refilling all parts required by the equipment in advance to save operation time. Install a water circulation condenser to speed up oil temperature cooling. Equipment advantages.
This for tank oil refining equipment corely realizes the whole processes of degumming and deacidification, drying and decolorization, and vacuum deodorization. It can process various oils including soybean oil, rapeseed oil, peanut oil, corn oil, sesame oil, and linseed oil, for oils with low acid value and low free fatty acid content. Less soapstock is produced after alkali refining and deacidification, resulting in less oil waste and excellent adaptability. The equipment features remarkable cost advantages and simple operation, and is specially designed for small and medium-sized oil mills.